Hello everyone, friends. On the channel today I will show you how to set up a greeting bot, yes, or a welcome message using a bot meme. I already have it on the server. Let's create a greeting. Right, create a name here we will have here and press enter. So we have created such a first insert, and then we will need to add to this insert, yes, respectively, a message, a nickname, and accordingly, a user's profile photo. To do this, right next, select the text. Here we write username. Close the brackets. Next is icon. So, well, then write the icon, respectively, user avatar, and close the parenthesis. Enter. That's it. Well, this will be our greeting. Next, you can also add some text. Yes, greetings. To do this, write accordingly, then choose the name of our insert, write a title, and write some kind of greeting here. I will have, for example, welcome to. And write the name of the server here. Server underscore and close the parenthesis. And write enter. Now there will be such a greeting. You can also add some additional text, right? For greeting respectively. To do this, we will need to write the command edit description. Select our insert, then select the description and write your text here. You can also add a server icon. To do this, we also write edit thumbnail, choose our greeting, write the image here and right here, I don't remember. I think the avatar server is called insert or the icon server. The icon server and close the parentheses and press enter. Now we will also have a server icon. I just don't have an icon, so I haven't changed anything. All that remains is to make a message for the server. To do this, we need to write one more. Something will need to be done. We will write a set grid message, a welcome message, a message. We write your message here, for example, greetings. Next, respectively, the user there is a participant. Close the exclamation mark as you want. So we write here the name of our greeting grid. Yes, that is that we have set up all this. We need to enter here now. Here we open the brackets and write here accordingly grid. And close the parentheses, press enter. That's it. Well, now you will only need to choose a channel for greeting. To do this, I created welcome channel, and we only need to write a set grid channel guide and choose welcome in my case. So press enter. That's how we set up our welcome, respectively, welcome message through the bot meme. That's all. Weller was with you. Bye, everyone.